Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the daily time frame. So yesterday I was showing you why I think this is going up to at least the 202 area, and maybe even a little bit higher. And I was saying that this move down is very, very likely just a pullback. We definitely did get a push down to the 38%, and we definitely did get a pretty nice push up. I just do not see an engulfing move yet. It definitely has not engulfed the previous candle. So that tells me that we possibly could get another push down like that before we get the final bigger push up that we're hopefully waiting for. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we really don't have a real breaker structure yet. Even on the 1 hour time frame, I don't consider this a breaker structure. So I would definitely be keeping an eye out for shorts. If it goes down, if it breaks structure, then it's probably going to make a pretty good move to the downside down to one of those lower Fibonacci retracements like I was drawing on the daily time frame. So definitely still keeping an eye out for some more shorts, especially if we get a break of structure and nice engulfing move to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.